All right, we're going to have another look at division because I know some people are finding it a bit tricky. To remember with division is sometimes there is a remainder. Remainder means what is left over. So once you've divided, if you have numbers left over, that is your remainder. I'm going to show you with some simple sums first. 9 divided by 4. You have to use skip counting whenever you are dividing. So if you're not sure if you're skip counting, you can take your tables book out and see. So if it's divided by 4, you have to count in our 4. So we say 4, 8, 12. Now once you have a number bigger than this one, you've gone too far. So we had 4, 8, 12. We've gone too far. So you have to take that one away, and it went in 2 times. So you write down your 2, and we have a remainder. We have some numbers left over because we said 4, 8. We're only at 8. We need 9. So how do we get from 8 to 9? We add 1. So our remainder is 1. Let's look at the next one. 15 divided by 8. Again, we have to count in 8s. 8, 16. Oh, 16 is bigger than 15. We have to go back, so we can't have 2 of them. So it's only 1 that goes in. Now we know that 8 times 1, which is the number here, is only 8. So I have to get from 8 to 15. So I would say 8. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I obviously only have one hand, so you have to do it that way. So we had the 5 and the other 2, so that was 7 left over. Let's have a look at this one. 23 divided by 9, we're counting in 9s. 9, 18, 27, that's bigger. So you have to go back 1, so it's going to go in 2 times. Oops. Now we have a remainder. So with the 2 times, 9, 18. We're on 18. How do we get from 18 to 23? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 5 left over. Okay, now let's see what it's like when it's in some bigger sums. So, 36 divided by 2. Let's find out about our remainders. We're dividing by 2 means you have to count in 2s. So 3 divided by 2, 2, 4. 4 is bigger than 3, so we go back, goes in once. Now we were on the 2, so 2, we go 3, we're there already, 3. So 1 left over. See this one, 16 divided by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And we had the 5 already, and the extra 3, 5 and 3 is 8. Now I got exactly 16, so I have no remainders for that sum. Look at the next one. 58 divided by 6, of course, we always write it this way. We're counting in 6s because that's what it's dividing by. 6, 6. We're bigger than 5 already. Okay, so we can't have this. We go back. So if the number here is smaller than our division, then we have to do a 0. It doesn't go in at all. And this 5 has to be brought over. It's our remainder. So we only did 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 58 divided by 6. Let's count in our 6s. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 60 is bigger, so you have to go back. So we had 5, and then we had the other 4. 5 and 4 is 9, so we know it goes in 9 times. Now, 9 times 6 brought us to 54. How do I get from 54 to 58? 55, 56, 57, 58. We have 4 left over. That's my remainder. The next one, 91 divided by 7. We're dividing by 7, so we count in our 7s. Let's see, 9 divided by 7. 7, 14. We've gone too far. We go back, so it goes in once. 1 times 7 is 7, so get from 7 to 9, 8, 9. We have 2 left over. 21 divided by 7, 7, 14, 21. Exactly 3. We don't need any remainders for that. 48 divided by 3. 3 again is what we're dividing by, so we count. 3, 6, too big. We go back. Goes in once. We have 1 left over. Try again now. 18 divided by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. There we go. 5 and the 1 is 6. Goes in with no remainders this time. So the key to being able to do your division is being able to do your skip counting. Once you've gone too far, you go back to the number you were at and then you add up to see how to get there. I hope that helps.